Port of Return are proud to celebrate the life of Seymour Mclean, the great book liberator, in association with Our Strength is in Our Community. We invite you to discuss how to take control of our future, underachievement in our schools, unemployment with younger generation. What is the next way forward for our children? Justice, equality, and racism. The prison system. Integration. Discussion group to be hosted by Claudine Reed, MBE. Inspirational speakers: Dr. Elaine Arnold, Tanaya Sam, Firia Mclean, Towin Ajabitu. Free event to be held on the 6th of November, 6 to 8 p.m. A powerful community is unity.